Gardenias are truly special plants. They enchant us with their beauty. Their creamy white blooms are a sight to behold, and their fragrance, simply intoxicating. No wonder gardeners cherish them. Adding a gardenia to your garden brings a touch of elegance and charm. Gardenias are more than just pretty faces. They represent joy, purity, and secret love. Their intoxicating scent can lift your spirits. Just imagine relaxing in your garden, surrounded by the sweet aroma of gardenias. It's a truly delightful experience. But be warned, gardenias can be a little demanding. They need the right care to thrive. But don't let that deter you. With a little knowledge and effort, anyone can grow these stunning plants. So let's dive into the secrets of successful gardenia care. In the following sections, I'll share my top tips for growing healthy, vibrant gardenias. Get ready to enjoy an abundance of those gorgeous, fragrant blooms. Choosing the right location is crucial for your gardenia's health. Gardenias love sunshine, but not too much direct heat. Aim for a spot with morning sun and afternoon shade. This will protect them from the scorching midday sun. Look for an area with good air circulation. Avoid planting them too close to walls or fences. Good airflow helps prevent fungal diseases. These can be a problem for gardenias. Consider the mature size of your gardenia variety. Some can grow quite large. Make sure you have enough space for them to spread out. This will ensure your gardenia has plenty of room to grow and flourish. Remember, a happy gardenia is one that's planted in the right spot. Take your time and choose wisely. It will make all the difference in the long run. Gardenias are a bit fussy about their soil. They prefer acidic soil with a pH between 5.0 and 6.5. Test your soil pH before planting. You can adjust it with amendments if needed. Good drainage is essential. Gardenias hate soggy roots. Amend your soil with organic matter to improve drainage. This will prevent the soil from becoming waterlogged. When planting your gardenia, dig a hole twice as wide as the root ball. Backfill the hole with a mixture of your native soil and acidic potting mix. This will provide the ideal growing medium. Remember, healthy roots are the foundation of a healthy plant. By providing the right soil conditions, you'll set your gardenia up for success. Section 4, Aris Imber, watering your gardenias. Watering gardenias can be a bit tricky. They like consistently moist soil, but they don't tolerate overwatering. It's a delicate balance. Water deeply and thoroughly when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid frequent shallow watering. This can lead to shallow root development. Use lukewarm water, as cold water can shock the roots. Water early in the morning to allow the foliage to dry before nightfall. This helps prevent fungal diseases. Keep an eye on your gardenia's water needs, especially during hot, dry weather. You may need to water more frequently during these periods. Section 5, feeding for fabulous flowers. Gardenias are heavy feeders. They need regular fertilization to support their growth and blooming. Use a fertilizer specifically formulated for acid-loving plants. Fertilize your gardenia every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season, which is spring and summer. Reduce fertilization in the fall and stop altogether during winter. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can damage the roots. Follow the instructions on your fertilizer package carefully. It's always better to err on the side of caution. With the right feeding regimen, your gardenia will reward you with an abundance of beautiful, fragrant blooms.